Hengchun is located in Hengchun Peninsula, the southernmost tip of Taiwan. It is surrounded by the sea on 3 sides and has a tropical climate. It is warm all year round, rich in flora and fauna, as well as special natural landscapes. Hengchun is famous for their long white sandy beaches and clear blue seas. There are also unique local cultural heritage and is one of the most popular vacation spots in Taiwan. So here we are, the ancient city gate of Hengchun, and it's located in the center of the township. And this is one of Taiwan main island's most well-preserved historical building, and it's listed as National Second Degree of Historical Site. Wow! Guess how long history?
Over 100 years?
Yeah, around 140 years.
Oh.
And here is Nanmen, because there's 4 city gates, east, west, south, and north, and this is the south one. And it's also called Mingdou Gate.
Why?
Why? Because this is the main gate that can go through Nanwan and Hengchun. Right. So you look at the wall. You guess which 3 materials they use to build this wall?
Stone.
Okay, a little tips. It's all food.
All food.
Right.
What?
Rice, right. Glutinous rice paste, and then cane syrup,
Wow.
and then oyster shell.
Really?
Oh. Yeah, they built it. But now they renovate it very well.
This looks like it's great.
Yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, we can start from south and then we can go all through north, west, and east. Okay, shall we? Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Oh, steep.
Right, be careful. So steep and slippery.
Careful.
Yeah. And you can see, actually this gate, local people come in and out daily. So this is the most familiar gate for them.
Okay.
And passing through the gate, you can see a local old market. And there's local food and snacks. The north gate. You can see this gate still facilitate Hengchun traffic, so it's kind of busy, so be careful of the car. Okay, safe to go.